And they're here!
So pala pinapatulog na ako ni Mom.
Nasaan si ate?
She's getting the rest of her stuff.
What can you say?
Walang ano.
So nice.
Walang
So nice.
No, it rained a lot though.
What can you say, ate, about our house?
Oh my god, your fridge.
Tingnan mo yung ulam na.
Good morning! Parang puti ng mukha. Good morning, sweetheart! Today is my birthday! And kids are here! You sing happy birthday. Sing happy birthday.
Later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you!
How old are you?
Secret. Gaano nakatagal na nag-celebrate tayo together?
Tagal na.
More than 10 years?
Oh, 2 years ago? 2 years
No, si ate wala eh.
Sa Pilipinas.
Yeah. Nikki was with me last year, but not with ate. Both of you. Maybe 10 years that we were celebrating together.
The
Huh?
first time.
The first time in the Philippines, 2 years ago.
Dumating kayo 30 30 na kayo dumating. Ano ba?
30 na ba yun?
Hindi ba kaya?
No, we celebrated Papa's my birthday in Singapore, just the two of us. So it was like 10 years ago that I'm celebrating my birthday with my two babies.
There's no way it was 10 years ago.
Yeah.
It was not 10 years ago.
Ha, be, kailan be? Tell me.
Oo, kasi wala. Oo.
Where were you on your 48th?
50, I was in the Philippines. 49, I was in Singapore. 48 was in
Japan.
Japan. Remember, I was by myself on my birthday. I was with Elisa. We went to Kamakura. 47, I was by myself after 47 years celebrating my birthday. 46, we were in Monterey. 45.
And then nag-renew sila. Monterey.
Nagpunta kayo sa Monterey for my birthday? I don't think so.
Sila Walter.
46. Wala nga, anak. So probably we were 45. We were in, yeah, maybe 45. Okay. Actually, I'm happy. It's more than 5 years. That we
Probably the one in West Virginia.
yeah, 45 yun. When we were in West Virginia.
Yeah, which one was the one with the bullet?
Yeah, I think that was the last time. When I was 45 years old. Anyway, first thing we'll do is we're going to church. See you later.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, sweetheart. We're here in, ano pangalan? Morehead City. And this is the Morehead City Bridge. At tatawid pala.
I think we're going to Atlantic City.
Atlantic Coast. Morehead City Bridge. Morehead City Bridge. At tatawid pala. Tapos ano to? Island na to sa kabila?
No, it's called the Atlantic Beach apparently. So we came from Morehead City and then we're going into Atlantic.
Atlantic Coast. Atlantic Coast.
Atlantic
ito.
Beach. Atlantic Beach.
Ano nakalagay yung Atlantic Beach?
Oh. So wala tayo sa Morehead City. We're in Atlantic Beach.
Yeah. I don't see a beach though.
Sa US. Dahil flag. Ayan na.
Mga bahay, no? Siguro mamahal niyan. Oh my gosh. Yan yung i-rent natin ate?
Yeah.
Tapos magtatalon-talon na lang tayo dyan sa tubig?
Well, we're gonna be at the beach. It's more of a beach. This is like, I don't know what this is. It's a coast or something.
Yeah, Atlantic
Those
Coast
are
nga ang
nice.
tawag eh. Oh, nice.
Showboat cottages. Yeah, these are for the people that has boats.
Sa Morehead City daw sila daddy nag-dock eh, hindi dito sa Atlantic Coast.
Baka dun sa...
Kaya
Oyster bar. Oh look, fresh market seafood. I wonder how much.
oh my gosh, tingnan mo yung barko na sa taas na.
Oh, gosh.
Ibig sabihin, nag-park sila doon, Aki. Nagbayad sila to park. Oh my gosh, look at the houses.
I bet it's people that are like working and they just come here to like.
Oh, may Indian Beach eh. Atlantic Beach Boardwalk. Oh, may boardwalk nga eh.
I think that's where we're going.
The boardwalk.
Yeah. Man, this breadstick's gonna hit.
Only. And we are here in the Atlantic Boardwalk. Atlantic Beach Boardwalk. Let's check the area. It's our first time. Si Papa.
No, there's an actual beach.
Yes. Oh, there's an ice
It's actually
cream.
really nice out for the beach.
Perfect weather.
I think because it's not sunny, that's why no one's
Where's
out.
Papa? Ay, tinan mo yung dagat. Ay, kala ko dagat na. Pader pala. Yung blue ba? Kala ko talaga yung dagat na yan. Talaga kala ko na.
I think you need glasses.
Ay, I don't want to step on the sand.
I do.
Mhm.
I want to go into the sand.
Okay, go to the sand. Oh, bring mama's video.
Oh, you're not gonna go?
No, I thought it's
Ay, di wag na
boardwalk.
lang. Ito lang yung boardwalk.
Oh, wow. Do we still have to go somewhere na dagat din naman to?
Dito na lang tayo.
Oo nga, dito ate oh.
Hotel ba yan?
It's a little cloudy, that's why probably there's not a lot of people here.
It's a short boardwalk. Yun lang pala.
Hindi, mali mo sa dagat mismo.
I kind of like it because it's not like...
crowded.
Yeah, it's just quiet.
It's not crowded. Bala mo sa may beach mismo na area. Doon nakba maglakad. Mas ano.
Ano mo, Papa?
Ano ano yun? Right now, we're here at the town of Atlantic Beach.
Don't you have birds?
The birthday celebrant is not coming, so I'm taking over.
Oh. That's why you brought your birds.
Nice. Walang masyado na ko. Nandito. Oo, ang ganda dito ni. Meron kayong tent?
Hindi natin yung sibuchon dito.
Si Butch, balik tayo dito.
Papaagahan mo uwi bukas. Mag-picnic tayo.
Di ba alis kayo bukas? Anong oras alis niyo? Gabi?
Dinner. Yeah.
Okay
Like
kayo.
around 8.
Gusto niyo sa gabi talaga nagbibiyahe?
Yeah.
Hindi ko makita. Ano?
I excel better at night.
Oo. Ay, so parang ang linis, no? Madumi nga lang yung dagat. Hi, Nak. Celebrant. Na.
And now we're heading back to Morehead City to celebrate my birthday. Bridge. Baka saan kayo sila dad? Now we're going to have lunch for my birthday here in my favorite restaurant.
I already know your order.
Olive Garden. Hi, Nak.
You want
Say happy birthday to Mama. Aki, happy birthday to Mama.
Happy birthday, si Tay.
Thank you.
We're going.
We'll start with our appetizer. What's it called, Nikki?
Breadsticks.
Never ending.
This one.
Yeah, this is never ending.
Never ending Alfredo.
Alam mo yung Alfredo na order?
We're having calamari too. That is Halaban's favorite appetizer.
Hindi kayo okay.
Not for Nikki. Because she's an oddball.
Kasi how come
And I'm sorry, did you guys want to do that Alfredo again?
Yes, please.
okay, enrich mo, we can split it.
Anong soup yan, Sweet?
Supa Toscana. All-time favorite.
Is there more bread in it?
And our main food is seafood Alfredo. What you got?
Tour of Italy.
And it's so good. So good, Chikart. How is it?
Very good.
All-time favorite.
I like it too.
Happy
Day
birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Lucci.
Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Thank you.
Hey,
Other tea here. I'm good, thank you. Okay, I'll take a water though.
Yeah, I can get your water.
Thank you.
We just had lunch in Olive Garden for my birthday. And now we're preparing for dinner. And it would be a pork belly lechon. Why do you have to poke it, sweetheart?
So it will pop.
It would pop the
It will be
liquid.
crispy, yeah, and the water will come out.
And it would be crispy. This would be for our dinner. We're done with spaghetti. Show them the spaghetti. Birthday is perfect with spaghetti. And
Birthday
I made it
celebrant.
by myself.
So chef, this is the chef. Chef, are you okay, chef? The Bobo is coming. And
You have to cook rice.
someone is hiding.
It's rice. Have to cook rice.
How's your birthday, is it?
Yes. Akit mo na to.
And we have a visitor.
Sweetheart, akit mo na to. Sweetheart, akit mo to.
Anna.
Everything is ready on the table except the pork belly lechon, which is still in the oven.
Lagay natin 15. Quinceañera na or something.
We got the pancit, all-time favorite, lumpia and spaghetti, and cake is ready, and our dessert. What else is our dessert now? Yung ano, mango sago.
Mango sago.
Happy birthday to you.
Here.
Hi.
Oh, there's no like. Oh.
51 more.
51 more.
many more.
I
Wait, I can set it down for a
wish.
second.
When you wish upon a star. Look at that. High tech.
so many.
Wow.
One more.
What kind of setup is that? I've never
It's
seen
her
one.
vlogging camera.
Oh my goodness.
She loves to vlog.
No, we travel a lot, so I'm just
Oh,
documenting everything. Yeah. Even though nobody's watching, I still keep on.
We will be now.
You look 30, sweet.
Okay, let's
Very
see. Her specialty is lumpia.
She has a lot of friends in. That's got to be the most popular food on the planet.
Oh, this is one big one.
That's fine. That's really big. It's
They're
really big.
extra big.
At least we just need one instead of two. I love
Here,
that.
we have a smaller one.
It's okay. I love the spaghetti.
Oh,
Very
thank
good.
you.
My mom cooked that one.
Yummy.
Here, Tom, we have the pork adobo again.
Okay.
Pork again. So,
Awesome.
Let's
Thank
see.
you.
It's good with rice. And she ate. Ooh.
You sure you want the pork in?
Dito na kayo sa gitna. It's by 5 hours, no?
Yeah.
6 hours.
Tanglad is lemongrass. They're yummy. I like them.
Oh, look at that.
Tanglad.
Oh my gosh, you can smell the
You
lemongrass.
stuffed it.
Yep.
Yeah, that
You
makes
know what you're doing.
the flavor inside.